Okay, so I'm going to do a quick demo video just to show you exactly how this plugin works and what it does. This video isn't intended to be a sales video, it isn't intended to be a tutorial or anything like that. It's just to give you an idea of exactly what kind of product you're dealing with. Okay, so the first thing is I've called it FB GroupPresser, but that's just a temporary name that can be changed at any time. I can also put in a logo for the plugin here just as soon as we get a logo developed. Obviously I just didn't want to go ahead with any of this until I know how you want it branded. Okay, so basically this plugin allows you to curate to and to post custom messages to any Facebook group that you're a member of. So first of all, I've given them the ability to search for Facebook groups. So you could see here we could search for internet marketing, and then we could find all the different internet marketing groups on Facebook, and you can see there's 257 of them, and you can search through them all like this. You can also visit them all by just clicking on the ID link here, and then you can join them by just joining manually. So once you've joined a load of groups, you can then view your groups. Okay, so you can see here that I've shown all the groups that I'm a member of. So there's 43 here, and you can see some of them are related to internet marketing, some of them to recipes, some of them to Forex. And basically the way the plugin works is that you create a set of groups that you want to send certain promotions to or to curate to. So we'll work through an example, and I'll pretend I'm going to do one to a set of Forex groups. So I'll create a new group set and I'll call it Forex. Create that, and then I'm going to select Forex here, and I'm going to add a few Forex groups that I'm a member of to that group set. Okay, and then I'm going to add them to it. So then if we show Forex, we can see here that we've got a group in our Forex group set of different Forex groups. So now let's suppose that I want to set up a promotion to go to these Forex groups. So I would head over to the scheduler, and you can see I've got a few set up here now. I'm going to various internet marketing ones. But I'm going to set up a new one, and I'm going to curate from a YouTube channel. So I'll just find a Forex YouTube channel. So I'll just grab this channel URL and I will put it in here. Now you can also post custom messages along with your posts, and I'll show you an example of that later. And the way you do that is you choose a message set. You can create sets of different messages to post, but I'll leave this at none for now, and I'm going to post it to my Forex group set that I created just before, and I'll add new. And you can see this has been added to the bottom of the scheduler here, and this basically the scheduler just tells you what will be sent out next. So if I want this to be sent out next, I will move this to the top of the scheduler, and then the next time the plugin runs, a video will be curated from this channel to a group from my Forex group. Okay, so I've just skipped ahead there and let the plugin run, and if we check in our posting history here for the plugin, you can see that this YouTube video is the last thing to be posted. It was posted to this group, which is this Trading Forex group, and you can see that this is the post ID, so you can view the post that it created, and you can see the time it was sent and that it was successfully sent. And if we go back to the scheduler, we can see that this YouTube channel, instead of being at the top, has now moved to the bottom. So every time something is sent from the scheduler, it goes back to the bottom, and then the next thing moves up. So if we take a look at the next schedule item, it is a custom URL. So there's 4 different things you can add. You can have RSS feeds, you can curate from Reddit, or you can have a custom promotion go out with your own URL. This is an example of a custom one, which is promoting my other plugin, FB Video Presser, to my set of internet marketing groups, and it's also using the message set I am Kings. I'll just quickly show you what that looks like, the messages. So if we go over here, you can see that you can have a whole set of different messages that will auto-rotate and are posted alongside your custom promotions or posted alongside your curated items. So just to show you exactly what I mean by that, if I head back to the scheduler, okay, so once again I've just skipped ahead and I've let the scheduler run, and you can see that FB Video Presser, instead of being at the top, is now at the bottom. And if we head over to our history, we can see that a custom promotion has gone out, it's gone to this group, and we can view the post created here. You can see the link has been posted, so if we click on it, that's a link to my FB Video Presser sales page. We can also see that some text has been posted alongside the link, FB Video Presser Automate Your Fan Page Marketing, and that is from the selected message set here. So I've just headed back to the scheduler to show you how the Reddit curation works. It's a bit like the YouTube channel. You can submit any type of Reddit subreddit. So if we open that, reddit.com/r/SEO, it looks like this, and the plugin will automatically curate hot trending topics from this subreddit and post them to your chosen set of Facebook groups. In this example, it's going to be internet marketing set that I showed you earlier. It's not, unlike the previous example, it's not going to post any text alongside it because we have none selected here. So I'm just going to pause, let the scheduler run, and show you what it looks like. Okay, so once again we've ran the scheduler, and instead of being at the top, it's now gone to the bottom. If we look in the history, we can see that this link was posted, and it was posted to this group, and we can see it, check it out here. You can see that we've posted a link from Reddit, a hot trending topic from Reddit, to this group, Internet Marketing Circle. Also, you'll note there is no text placed alongside it, like in the last example, because we have chosen, if we head back to the scheduler, we had chosen none for the message set. I'll just run through this, let the scheduler run through once more and show you another example of a YouTube video curated from HanFan's channel, but this time it will post some text alongside it, so I'll just show you what that looks like. Okay, so once again, the HanFan's channel has moved to the bottom of the scheduler now. If we check in the history, we can see that this YouTube video was posted to this group, and we can view it here. And we can also see that some text has been posted alongside it. Check out Han's awesome review, and that comes from, so if we go back to the scheduler, you'll see that we selected the testing message set. So if we go to messages, have a look at testing, you can see that this text has come from here. So if all of these were filled out, then one of those would be chosen at random, and they would rotate through each time. Now finally, I just want to show you how the RSS feed curation works. You can see I've got an RSS feed type entered here. You can choose RSS feeds there. You just enter the feed URL, choose any message set you want, and choose which group set you want to promote to. I'm going to run through this a couple of times because you can see that it's second in the scheduler, so I'll just do that now and then I'll restart the video. Okay, so I've let the scheduler run a couple more times, and we can see that the RSS feed is now at the bottom. If we go to the history, we can see that the last one posted was from this RSS feed. It posted this link to this group, and we can view the post here. You can see that it's extracted the video, it's posted the link, and it doesn't have any text, because if we return to the schedule, I'll just show you, click on that, it links to this blog. So basically you can curate content from any blog that has an RSS feed. If we go back to the scheduler, we can see that there was no message set selected, so that's why there was no text posted alongside it. Go back to the history and view the post. We can see there's no text posted alongside it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So like I say, we can brand this to whatever name you want, put some logos on, make it look great, but I didn't want to do any of that until you decided what name and until you got some graphics made up. Big advantages of this: you can curate from multiple sources to as many different groups as you want. You can automate multiple niches, and instead of just posting straight promotions all the time like this, you can maintain a presence posting valuable things on different boards by curating from YouTube, Reddit and RSS feeds.